What I was saying could be us.
Hello guys! Today we're going to be learning about div and span. In the last video I mentioned about div, and I think I mentioned about span but not sure. And I accidentally thought that you guys already knew, but I remembered that I didn't get to teach you guys yet. And in the last video I said that the next video is going to be about section and article, because I thought I already taught you guys div and span, but I didn't. So this class we're going to be learning about div and span by Dhatri the Go Buddy. Agenda. First, tags. Then tags overview. After that, question time. After that, about me. Finally, about the next video. Tags. The tags that we will be needing today are div, the ending div tag, span, and the ending span tag. Tags overview. The tag div is used to group a big part of HTML code. The span tag is used to group a small part of HTML code. Now I'm going to be showing you how to use div and span in your code. This is where we left off last time with header, main, and footer. So now we're going to be learning divs and spans. So suppose I wanted to group the UL and OL. So I'm just going to take away the header, main, and footer for now, very quickly. Okay, so I took that away. So now I have these three things. So I'm going to be working with this part. So I'm going to wrap this all in a big giant div because they're both lists. Oh, and you can see that the div has an ending tag because you are putting, it's like a nested tag because you're putting stuff inside of the tag, not including attributes. Well, you can put attributes in divs, but there are not any important attributes that I need to be telling you about it now. So since we have those in divs, everything else is perfect. But if we wanted, we could put both of these small parts into divs as well. And indent this part. Do the same thing with the second list. Okay, so yeah, divs don't do anything to our site, but it helps when you're adding CSS files and styles and stuff, which I will be teaching you later on. And if you know it, that's good. So now we have the div thing control. It just groups stuff like how we wanted it to. We can even name it by adding classes and stuff and IDs, which I haven't taught you guys yet. So now I'm going to teach you how to use span. So we can use span in this list right now. So inside of the li, we can put span and take this extra the ending span and put it after the bananas. So span is usually to get one word out of a big giant statement. So if I have my name is right now and I wanted to change the text name into the color blue, I could put span here, and then it can take the ending one and put it there. And I can add a class to span and put styles to it for only name, then it will only apply to name, which is really cool. So we can continue that for the rest of it. Now let's complete the lesson. Questions. Is the tag span used to group small spaces or big spaces? Big or small? Yeah, small. Is the tag div used to group small spaces or big spaces? Open response, I'm just gonna give you like 5 seconds. So, yeah, time's up. So, I'm pretty sure this was very easy, and the answer is big spaces. About me. About me. This is for people who are new for my channel and need to know who I am. Hi, I am currently 11 years old. I developed interest into coding while exploring khanacademy.org. In computer programming, I found HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Later, explored further into these topics and started developing these websites. WinteriorSchools.com, MakeWebApp.tk, AmaravathiFoods.ml. I am not developing AmaravathiFoods.ml because there's no one cooking for it anymore, so even though it's an unfinished site, I'm going to be deleting that. This was the last video I was reminding you, so I'm taking it away now. And I still have a lot to learn about the next video. My next video is going to be about HTML hypertext markup language, section, and article tags. I know that I said this last video, but I forgot that I didn't teach you guys div and span yet, so I wanted to teach you that first because it's more easier than section and articles. You will learn the tags that you will need to group other tags and content like div and span. Section and article are basically the same thing as div and span, but they're a little bit different. See you soon. Bye.